Hi y'all, my name is Alexandra and this is the Not So Evil Stepmother. Gotta say it with a little attitude. I'm just kidding. Anyways, if you guys haven't been living under a rock or in a cave for the last couple of years and you have a social media account, I'm sure you've seen the plethora of subscription box services that are out currently. And I'm sure you've seen the plethora of reviews of said subscription boxes. My only issue with these reviews is the fact that the YouTuber or blogger are being sent these boxes for free. So I don't know about you guys, but if I'm being sent something for free, I'm probably gonna find the good in it and I'm probably gonna talk good about it because, let's be honest, I want them to send me more stuff for free, right? So I decided as a consumer, I was going to purchase or subscribe to a few of these subscription services to give you as a consumer a real review. So I spent my hard-earned cash to see if it was really worth your hard-earned cash. So you're welcome for that. Anyways, one of the ones that we subscribe to is Birchbox. This is actually one that my daughter was very interested in doing. If you don't know anything about Birchbox, a little bit about it, it is a monthly subscription box service. It is more beauty, skincare, hair care, that kind of thing. You fill out a profile, and then they send you samples, not full-size products, but samples every month, about 4 to 5 in your box for $10 a month. So this was the one that we got, that my daughter received. She did her little beauty profile. So as far as packaging goes, I think it's very cute. I definitely like the box for sure. You could definitely use it for photos, recipe cards. It's nice and sturdy, and so I do appreciate good packaging. So 5 stars there. My daughter did receive a free gift also with her, oops, and there it goes on the floor. My daughter did receive a free gift with her first Birchbox, which was this. It is the Cover Shot Golden Hour Eyeshadow Duo by Smashbox. Show you that right there. Very pretty, very golden and brown, and I love those colors. And that's about the size of it, just for reference. So that was her free gift. Now, when you open up your Birchbox, they give you a list here, which I will show you. Let's see if I can get it to come in. There we go. Oh, yeah, there it is. So they give you a list here of all the products that are inside the box. This is my first issue. The products that they have listed, which are in this box, there's also a price next to it. So the price that's next to it is actually not the price of what's in this box. It's actually the price of what you would pay for it if you bought a full size of this product. So I feel like, you know, they should also put the price of what this sample is, and I'm going to get to that here in just a minute. So the first thing that was in her box is the Amica Undone Volume and Matte Texture Spray. We have not used this yet. I can't tell you how well it works or doesn't work because, again, we haven't used it yet. But it is for a full size, listed at 25. We have no idea what this size is. The next thing that is listed on here is the Dr. Lip Miracle Balm, and for full size is $16.50. Now, this I've actually heard, again, haven't used it yet, but I've heard that is a very good product. I haven't used it yet because let me tell you what my next complaint is. This is the cap, this is the bottle, this is how much is in the bottle. So it's not even filled up all the way. It's maybe halfway. So you're probably gonna get about 1 use out of that. That's it. So my daughter is actually wanting to use that this summer because it's for dry skin, luscious lips, and glossy bits. So she's wanting to use it this summer. So, you know, again, we haven't tried it yet. The next thing is the Marcel Ultimate Volume Nano Mascara. Now I will say this is a full size sample mascara. It is full, and it's got a cute little brush to it. Did like that, is very good. I think out of everything in this box, this was probably more, this and the eyeshadow duo was probably what made the box worth it. Just my opinion. The next thing is the Real Chemistry Luminous 3-Minute Peel. Now, again, not full. This is about how much product is actually in this bottle. So, yeah. The last thing is the Smashbox Cosmetics Photo Finish Radiance Primer. Now, I know if any of you all have been to Ulta or Sephora, you've seen Smashbox products, you've seen their trial sizes, and this does not resemble anything, I don't know. Like, I'm used to seeing the big, fat, short one. Maybe it's just me. But this was actually full. This is full. This is a primer, photo finish foundation primer. So I do like Smashbox primers. They're a little expensive, but this I guess made it a little worth it too. So here's my issue with this Birchbox thing, guys. If you guys go to Sephora, you can get samples for free, okay? So in other words, you don't have to pay anything. And then they have some samples, I know, like bigger sizes, like trial sizes and stuff that you do have to pay for, but you can get samples of foundation and primers and all kinds of stuff. Just go in and ask. It's a little secret that probably Sephora doesn't want everybody to know, but you can do that. And I'll give you a very good example. These are things that I got from Sephora for free. And I'm going to show you here, just for reference, size difference. And these bottles, the ones that I got for Sephora, were fully filled. These ones are not. Well, this one, the Smashbox was. The Dr. Lip was not, and neither was the Real Chemistry face peel. So go to Sephora, get free samples. Do not do Birchbox. I would not recommend it. It is not something we are going to get again. So from one consumer to another, I'm telling you right now, nix it. Don't do it. I mean, $10 isn't that bad. Like I said, the box is cute. You do get to try different things. I think Sephora also has a box. I haven't tried theirs yet. Maybe I will in the future. I know Ipsy has one too. Haven't tried theirs yet. I don't know what their sample sizes look like or how full their bottles are or not. But I would not recommend Birchbox, so stay away from it. Not my thing. Definitely not. Totally not something I would consider worth your hard-earned cash, all right? So if you like this video, please hit that like button down below. I really do appreciate it. If you want more reviews, I am doing some more on some other subscription boxes that I have coming in. Please hit that subscribe button. I will be completely honest with you and give you my real opinion, like I said, as a consumer who did spend their money on the box. And again, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put that down below. I love answering any of those. And if we get up to 100 subscribers, I am planning on doing a giveaway, which I'm really looking forward to doing. So definitely hit that subscribe button. And I really appreciate you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.